Hi guys, my name is Sam Spielmaker. I am the Sales and Technical Support Coordinator here at Flow-Rite Controls. Today I'm going to show you how to install our ProFill single point watering system with snake tubing in 3 easy steps. Your snake tubing kit will come with the following parts: Flow-Rite manifolds with valves and snake tubing. Step 1. Remove the vent caps and insert your ProFill manifold assembly. Press the manifold firmly, ensuring the rubber washer is correctly seated around the refill valve. Step 2. Secure the valves by rotating them a quarter turn in a clockwise motion to secure it and the manifold to the battery. Step 3. Install the snake tubing by snapping the snake segment ports into the manifold. You can always reference the single point watering layout diagrams on Flow-Rite.com. Now your installation of your ProFill battery watering system with snake tubing is complete. If you have any questions, please reach out to myself, our customer service team, or a sales rep. Also, visit our website at Flow-Rite.com for additional information, and don't forget to follow Flow-Rite on social media. Thanks for watching!